Come take a look at this 2009 Ford Super Duty F250. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle and has an unspecified transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 888-300-1565 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.